Hi guys. I probably won't be in school for today, but I won't be in school for today. But yeah, I think I've got sinuses problems and tonsillitis because all the hair behind my eyes, all the hair, and my throat is really sore. So that's why, um, that's why I'm not going to be in school, and why I haven't been doing a video. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.